absolutely fucking no doubt about it. He's saying, look, he's going that. No, we wouldn't. No, we wouldn't.
Oh, deal breaker though. Only if Badil and Skinner would do it.
With us?
Yeah.
Well, it's one of them.
Just the background, not like a prominent part, just like.
They would never do it. Skinner would never do background. Skinner would be like, right, this is my song, right. This is not the girl. Is Heather Small from People United fan?
I think so. Get her in. Get her in.
The only person ever to have like a haircut similar to Marge Simpson. Me, Ian, and Heather on tri-vocals. You manage drum and bass.
Yeah. He's on backing vocals.
He's definitely. I don't know, City's still quite comedy in it. But they still don't know where the fucking players are. It's like, are you there in Argentina? Are you there? Oh, hello? Anyone spends that much time on the facial hair. You know what I mean? Like, this isn't groomed, as you can tell. I don't think it's quite unnerving when a guy that age spends a lot of time on facial hair.
Mine's Craig Bellamy. I just thought I'd let you know. Yeah. I mean, okay, he's probably got this, brilliant desire and will to win or whatever.
It's a disease, though.
And he's probably got a few diseases as well.
He's got this brilliant disease.
And I admire that and I appreciate that, but I just think he's a right knob.
We came up against the idiots from Shipwrecked and fucking Big Brother and all that, yeah.
Alright, pal.
Yeah.
Don't rub it in.
Yeah. We got smashed off the reality nobodies. But it wasn't smashing, actually. Referee was what? I know this is.
I'm still bitter about it.
To be honest, I just walked into the bar and do Sambuca really sharp, to be honest. And that's what happened, so maybe.
Did you actually do that?
Yeah, maybe.
Sharpie's t-shirt.
Sharpie shuffle. Yeah, he's wearing a t-shirt. Tell what t-shirt.
I love girls who love girls.
Amazing.
Go on, Sharpie.
Amazing. Not messing about, is it? That's a weird way to time it. I'm going to staple my bollocks to a pool table. Are you? Fucking get a life, mate. Would you? I don't care what someone's putting on the table, right? Neither is nor my bollocks against stapled to a pool table for any amount of dough.
Just want you to come on, Serge, with your rock star shoes on.
When someone does something like that, Ryan, it should just be like, you should get like, when you get like gigs, you got the key to Salford.
Yeah.
You should just get the key to the UK.
The world.
Just be like, say what I'm doing, what I fucking want, mate.
Soccer just carries
Did
around.
you see that goal of Soccer?
Carries around like a little DVD player. Play.
Yeah.
Have a look at that, mate.
On his iPhone, that. Wait a minute, I'm just going to load this up. So, I was a ball boy tonight, so I met Eric. So that was it for me. It's just cool as fuck, man. Absolutely cool as fuck. I was like, fuck this. So as the teams came out, I legged it to the front. I was like, yeah, fucking have that, mate. Yes. Get in there. It was kind of went,
Au revoir.
No, just went.
Well,
cheers.
Colleen, because she gets the high five Wayne every day.
Yeah, I've seen that. Rizzo, definitely. Rooney's defo in the garden every day and he's doing kick-ups and shit.
Yeah.
He's definitely a few football in his garden. Gets home from training, he's like, make us a sandwich clean, going outside for a bit. And he's just there doing kick-ups, he's playing Wally on his own.
Ringing
He can't wait till Kai's old enough. It's like, yeah, Kai, come out for a minute, mate.